Part of the reason for the partnership, number one, the quality of the cookware is just absolutely great. You know, these guys are finally disrupting the cookware business. From the supply chain of steel to where it's stamped to where it's produced, it's all American made, really, really high quality, and at pretty much half the price of the sort of the big names that are out there. So this just made perfect sense. You know, I've always been looking for the next sort of high level, high quality American-made cookware that's out there, and I finally found it made it. It's just, I use it at home and just absolutely love it. Buy good pieces, buy high-quality cookware. Number one, it lasts a lifetime. It's all riveted, really high-quality stainless steel. It's not going to warp if you leave it on the stove. The handles aren't going to come off. The way it's all put together, the handles don't get really, hot, so you can handle them pretty easily. So this is how much I love made-in cookware. I'm opening a new restaurant, and the entire kitchen will be outfitted with made-in. I'm pretty psyched to open the restaurant with made-in.
We launched Made In 2017, but have been friends since we were 5.